Creating delicious, easy meals in your steam oven. Baked stuffed manicotti casserole. During the cold winter months, nothing beats a delicious, cheesy pasta casserole. And you may be surprised to know that a steam oven is just the perfect appliance for baking casseroles. Generally, when we bake casseroles, the recipe will instruct us to cover the dish with foil in order to prevent the food from drying out during the baking process, and to remove the foil at the end of the cooking to make sure that the cheesy topping melts and crisps on the edges. Covering the dish with foil traps moisture in the pan, creating, that's it, steam. When we bake in a steam oven, we can just leave the pan uncovered. Delicious as they are, the drawback to casseroles is that they're usually fairly labor intensive to make, and they also require at least 40 minutes baking time. I'm preparing a pasta casserole of stuffed manicotti that includes a meat sauce combined with spinach, tomatoes, fresh herbs, ricotta, and it will have some mozzarella and Parmesan cheese on the top. And it also has a creamy bechamel sauce. Stuffing these pasta tubes is definitely a labor of love, but it's so delicious, it's worth making a double batch and then you can freeze one. Now when it comes to baking, I'm going to choose the combination convection steam mode and use the default temperature setting in my oven, which is 340 degrees. Now if your steam oven has a smaller cavity, drop the temperature down to 325. After baking for 30 minutes, I'm going to add the cheese, and at that time I'm going to change the oven mode to convection with no steam to finish the cooking. If extra crisping is desired and your oven has a broil mode, you could also turn that on towards the end of the cooking just to get that little added crisping and browning. However, don't set the temperature too high. Keep it around 350, 375. And don't have the pan too close to the broil element. We're looking for gentle, controlled browning here. We don't want to ruin our hard work by burning that wonderful casserole. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.